Are you looking for ways to migrate data from the Salesforce Nonprofit Success Pack to Nonprofit Cloud? Or are you interested in a complete system migration from NPSP to NPC? In this video, I'll show you how conemis can help your smooth transition. The migration from NPSP to NPC involves changes to the data model, especially in managing donations and personal information. Successful migration requires a clear understanding of both the source and target data models. You will need to reflect these differences in the mapping to transfer data accurately. We offer a tool to support these needs, including a system assessment feature that allows CTC to log into your Salesforce and display a list of all database details. This includes object names, mandatory fields, field types, and record counts, helping you estimate the data volume involved. Using the information from the assessment, you can create definition files for data export, which work like SQL queries. You can customize these files to narrow down the data scope or prepare for large data sets. Mapping is also easy. Just select the source and target objects and also fields from intuitive drop-down menus. Accurate mapping is key. As mentioned earlier, the data models around donations differ between NPSP and NPC. NPSP managed donations primarily using the opportunity object with some custom objects like payment. However, NPC divides them across three standard objects: opportunity, gift commitment, and gift transaction. This segmentation ensures that diverse donation types, which were previously grouped under opportunity, are now allocated more appropriately. Conemis supports one-to-many migrations to distribute data based on predefined conditions, ensuring each opportunity record is correctly mapped. Handling complex relationships between records is also seamless with conemis. No need to manually rewrite IDs. For personal data, NPSP used the contact object, but NPC adopts person accounts. Migrating contacts to person accounts itself isn't difficult, but linking related records introduces challenges. Salesforce automatically generates a hidden contact record when a person account is created, and some records, like account contact relationships, need to reference these newly generated IDs. With conemis, you don't have to manually search and match these IDs. Instead, you can use a formula to link source and target IDs. No more juggling multiple Excel sheets for VLOOKUPs. With one formula in place, your migration process boils down to exporting the data and hitting the load button. Let's see a quick demonstration. Here we have account, contact, donation, and payment data in NPSP. We will export this data using conemis. Once the extract definition is selected, we start the export. Now let's load the extracted data into NPC. As you can see, the load is successful. The target system shows the data has been correctly migrated, with relationships already linked. Since the extract definitions and mappings are saved within conemis, migration teams can easily execute the migration with minimal effort and time pressure. This is especially helpful when migrating during a system downtime window. Less time means fewer errors, making the whole process much smoother. Now let's look at some advanced features. Have you encountered scenarios where users want to reuse custom objects or fields from the old system in the new one? This is common when users want to retain familiar data structures or need to preserve old data formats. Especially for large-scale systems, or when the legacy system has numerous custom objects and fields, recreating them all from scratch can be time-consuming. We offer here our metadata migration feature, allowing bulk transfer of objects and fields. With this feature, you can complete your data model in just 5 simple steps. First, assess the source system. Second, assess the destination system. And by the way, These first and second steps don't need to be repeated if they have already been completed in the data migration purpose. Moving on to the third step, select the objects and fields for migration. Fourth, run the migration process. Then our final fifth step, grab a coffee and wait for the results. And that's it. Once you open the target system, you'll see that the custom fields have been successfully migrated. Conemis also provides tools to manage project timelines and automate tasks. With the project performance feature, you can track milestones, monitor progress, and compare it with planned targets. The scheduling feature helps automate tasks like overnight system assessments or batch jobs. You only need to set the job and time, no coding required. Thank you for watching. Conemis is here to support your NPSP to NPC migration every step of the way. If you have any questions or want to try our solution, please click the link in the description to visit our website.